Hey guys, it's your favorite monthly vlogger here. Today I'm going to be doing a Q&A again because I don't have video ideas and I'm just trying to make videos. I haven't done a Q&A since, this great video, Adidas Ultra Boost. So today should definitely be interesting. I'm just going to be answering some questions. Again, haven't done this in a while, so I just thought, have to make a video. Might as well do this. So without further ado, let's get into my fourth Q&A. I don't know. Fourth, third, second, worst, I don't know. All right, first question. Bape or Supreme? That's a tough question. So that's a really hard question for me to answer because I love Bape and I love Supreme. Like, I love both of them, but I do have more Bape pieces. I just think there's a lot more designs that Bape comes out with that I actually like, as opposed to just, some of the designs that Supreme comes out with. Now, don't get me wrong, there is some Bape designs that I do not enjoy, but there are a lot more Supreme items that come out that are just not good. When Supreme gets a design right, they're kind of the best at it, but the thing is, Bape gets it right more consistently. Like, Supreme comes out with a lot of ugly stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Bape does come out with some ugly stuff, but Supreme comes out with a lot more. Don't get me wrong, I love Supreme and I love a lot of the stuff that they come out with, but some of the stuff that they come out with is just disgusting. So the answer to that question, probably I like Bape just slightly more, just because if I walked into a Bape store and I walked into a Supreme store, I would buy more stuff at the Bape store. The only thing I like better about Supreme is their prices are a little bit more reasonable. Like, what's your favorite pair of shoes in your shoe collection? Where have I heard this one before? Adidas Ultra Boost. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, I reacted to the last Q&A that I did, and let's just say it was interesting. So, updated, my favorite shoes in my collection. I have to go with my Jordan 1 Black Toes. I really like them. The leather's pretty good, they're an OG colorway, and they just go with a lot of stuff. And I've wanted them for a while, and I finally got them for a good price. So, I'm gonna have to go with my Black Toes. All right, next question. Are you still gonna try to do daily vlogging? Well, as you guys know, I am a very good, consistent monthly vlogger. I usually upload once a month if I'm feeling good. But daily vlogs, not gonna lie, are hard for me to do. Because I go to high school 5 days a week, I'm not able to vlog those days. Like this is after school right now. Like, I'm not doing anything tonight. Like, all I'm doing is ordering Thai food and playing Fortnite. Like, if you guys want to see daily vlogs of that, just leave a comment down below and that'll be an easy video to make. But I'm going to try to be doing a lot more consistent uploads. No, but for real, like, this is my second upload in 2 days. Second daily upload, I think. So, you know what? Maybe we'll get, next question. What does this say? How big is your streetwear collection? I was actually going to address that. So the next video that I'm going to be working on is a Hypebeast streetwear shoe collection video. And yeah, it's pretty big, so I thought it deserved its own video. So yeah, I'm gonna make like a nice big video just explaining all the stuff I have, what I'm planning to get, and what I've sold. And final question, what is your favorite streetwear Hypebeast shoe brand? So I'm gonna assume that person meant like, what's my favorite brand in that kind of culture? And my answer to that would be probably, that's a hard question. Shoe brand, my favorite shoe brand, by far, Jordan brand. Some of the stuff they come out with is disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. I hate 14s, I don't like 13s. 10s are just, ugh. And then there's 7, I know a lot of my friends like 7s, but I just don't. And especially the grade school colorways that come out, some of them are just absolutely disgusting. But as long as I say that, Jordan brand will be, I mean, it's really Nike and Jordan brand, which is kind of like, they're together because Nike is Jordan brand is Nike. And then versus Adidas, right? And then there's other shoe brands like Reebok and like New Balance and stuff like that tries to come in, but really it's Nike, Adidas. And I feel like if I had to pick one side, I would pick Nike and Jordan brand right now because, well, one, because I just love Jordans and, my favorite shoes are Jordans. I have a lot of Jordans in my collection. But another reason I would pick this side is because of what Virgil and Off-White is doing with Nike. They did the 10 collection, they're coming out with another 10. And, I I do really like it. I know no one asked this, but I'm gonna put my opinion in anyways. I think by far the Air Max 90 is the nicest out of the collection. You know, the Jordan ones they're really nice. The Chicago's are really nice. The white ones are really nice. The Europe exclusive ones, those are really nice. But in my opinion, if I was able to get the Air Max 90s, which I'm gonna try to get, they're just really nice. So that's gonna be it for today's Q&A. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to smash that like button, comment down below, and become a part of Tech Nation by subscribing. We talked about this in the last video. Do you guys think it should still be Tech Nation, still be... I don't know. I will see you guys next video.